An invisible public enemy, bacteria and viruses in the air are causes of disease and infection. Now try making secure space to live with genuine photocatalyst air sterilizer LUMO. It is able to decompose and eliminate efficiently bacteria and viruses in the air. General photocatalytic air sterilizer is expensive because of unnecessary functions, but LUMO is made with enhanced sterilizing power by increasing the amount of photocatalyst at a reasonable price. LUMO is able to decompose and eliminate 99.9% of viruses and various harmful bacteria in the air. In addition, LUMO's photocatalyst filters convert volatile organic compounds that cause the odor and sick house syndrome into safe water vapor and carbon dioxide by perfectly breaking down it. Also, it doesn't generate toxic materials as ozone, unlike other products. And LUMO's photocatalyst filters have a longer sterilization persistence than existing products. The secret is thanks to self-developed special synthesis that can generate electron and hole on the photocatalyst surface, which decomposes many harmful and sterilizes for a long time. No required to inconvenient replace filter and additional expenses of LUMO. Compared with common UV lamps, efficient UVA LED is installed in LUMO. It provides low electricity costs and no replacement for more than 10 years. Until the day you can breathe with confidence with unique way-to-make photocatalytic technology, we will provide the best solution to you. Way to make.